Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to do an invisible decrease. I have a project right here, and I've made it a bit easier to see the stitches. What we're going to do is we're going to be working only in the front loops. To tell if it's the front loops, you look from the side profile of the project and you should see two stitches. There is a front loop and a back loop on the stitch. Right here is the back loop, this is the front loop. The side that's going to be the outside of the project is the front. The side that's on the inside is the back. What you're going to do is, with your crochet hook, you're going to put your crochet hook right through the front loop towards the center, and you're going to work into both stitches, the first one and the second one. I'll demonstrate right now. Go through the front, through the center, and you're going to have two loops. Then work into the second stitch. From through the front, through the center. Now you're going to have three. 1, 2, 3. What you're then going to do is use your crochet hook and place it above your yarn so that you're doing a yarn under. Pull through both of those front loops. And now you're going to have two loops left. Then, what I like to do is I like to yarn over. And pull right through. And that is a decrease. So demonstrate one more time. Front loop. Front loop. Yarn under. Pull through. Now I have two. Yarn over. Let's try one more time. Front loop, yarn under, yarn over, and that is a decrease.